one example of a rake that we have on the farm. It's very similar to a tedder in how it operates, but the main difference is everything spins in the same direction and rakes up all the tedded or loose and fluffy hay and makes giant rows. And these rows that form would be what the tractor pulling a baler would drive over and scoop up the rows of hay and make a bale. Here is our round baler. This machine makes the giant round bales of hay, as opposed to the square bales of hay that you see on some farms. Inside the green body is what's known as the hay chamber. The hay that is scooped up from the field spins through a series of rollers, which actually makes the bale form inside, and very similar to a giant cinnamon bun or even an onion. It rolls around, it forms in layers. The back is a door which will actually open up wide, allowing for the completed hay bale to roll out where it can get picked up and put on a truck and brought to the barn. The front of the baler is a very complex system of pickup tines, side augers, and different types of rollers. These all work in unison to pick up the hay and roll it into the hay chamber and keep the feeding going on, allowing for the giant bale to form.
So after we bale the hay, we'd like to always check for the moisture content of the hay. Anything below 18% is adequate for our cows. We have to feed the dry feed because of the cheese. And for it being safe in the barn, we'd like to have it below 18% moisture before we put it in the hay barn. So this tool here is a 3-foot long prod that I can just go into the center of the bale. I can hit that button right there, and it'll tell me the percentage. This one is 10.7% moisture. Then that way we know it's safe to go in the dairy.